Who's there? Who's unmuted?
Kay is.
Kay, all right. Kay, good to talk to you. Hey, so Kay, I'm not sure if it's for you, but I've got a couple tips that have been working with a lot of other teams and individuals, especially on the B2B side. They've just been working really well. Are you opposed to me sharing them with you?
No.
Okay, that was the first one. All right, I want you guys to think about this. Oftentimes in our careers, when we're out there, when we're working with clients, when we're working with existing customers, when we're working with prospects, we've got ideas, we've got new products, we've got new solutions, we've got new services that we want them to take seriously. But we run the risk of two different things if we just bring it up. Okay, so let's say I'm talking to Jason Bynek. If I'm like, Jason, we've got a brand new dashboard feature, it's amazing, you got to see it. Okay, first off, I run the risk of sounding salesy and pushy. Second off, when we just push a new idea on somebody, they've got these inherent blockers. It's human nature. Like when we feel like something is being forced upon us, we inherently push back a little bit. So what I did there, Kay, at the beginning is I said, I'm not sure, Kay, I'm not sure if it's for you, but, okay? So I want you guys to write that down. I'm not sure if it's for you, but that is a great way for you to introduce new ideas. Now notice what I did there. I wasn't overly excited about it. And then I said, I'm working with some other, in your cases, practices. I'm working with some other medical offices. And what most people are seeing is a pretty significant improvement when they do this. And then are you opposed or are you against taking a look at it? When you combine those three things, I'm not sure if it's for you, but, and most people, and then are you against or are you opposed, you're going to find that I'm not sure if it's for you, but causes that other party to really lean in and at the very least want to hear what you have to say.